Oh shit, he just ran into the op. Hold on, Brooklyn, chill, bro. Stay out of it.
Hank! Oh, you think I don't see it?
Okay, let me see. Hold on. Sit. Let me see who wants this one. Sit. Who?
It's not cool. Where the fuck's the dog? Where's the dog? Come on. It's not cool.
Because first of all, how do you know? How do you know that that's true? How do you...
What the fuck, man? What the fuck?